Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn about something called variables. And variables play a really important role in programming because they store data that allows you to use it later on. So there is actually a lot of types for variables. There is something called a string, there is something called integer, there is Boolean, there's a lot of stuff. So we're going to learn a couple of them today, and something about Python, you actually don't have to tell Python what kind of variable it is. Like, for example, Java, if you want to write an integer, you have to write integer and then give it a value and then give it a value of a number. But for Python, you actually don't have to do that. So for example, if I say x is equal to 7 and I want to do a print of the value of x right here, and if I actually run it, it's going to give me the value of 7. So let's say if I do the same exact thing and do a name and give it a name of Jessica, and I have to put it in quotation, a single quotation or a double quotation, and do a print of name, and if I run it, it's going to give me the name Jessica as well. One thing about variables though, you cannot give a name that starts with a number. So let's say if I do 123 is equal to David, for example, it's not going to understand that because your name of your variable needs to start with a letter. So if I do n123, then that would be good. But if I start with 1 and then put an n at the end, that won't work. Also, you can't start with an underscore, but you cannot put like the minus sign. You only have to put, like, let's say if you write name underscore game or whatever, it allows you to use it. But if you put a minus, that won't work. It will actually think that's called a minus. And if you actually run, let's say run 123 AB, and then let's say run it, it's going to give you a syntax error. It's that syntax error, invalid syntax. So that's how to actually create a variable, pretty straightforward. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.